Hello, my name's Glenn and welcome to John Banks Renault and Dacia here in Ipswich. So one of our latest used cars to arrive is this 2024 Toyota Corolla. This is the XL trim level. It does feature the 1.8 petrol engine, and this particular one is actually a full hybrid. So it develops in total 140 brake horsepower. Lovely spec of car. You got the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which are all in very good order. It's a very low miles car, just under 4,000 on the clock. It does have features such as front and rear sensors, rear parking camera, and of course, not very often we come across estate cars like this. They're normally sort of left to the SUV market. This one does have the electric tailgate as well. And once you're inside the vehicle, masses of boot space there. It's got the boot liner which the previous owner left in it for us. Nicely presented all round. One of the things I do like about it is it has got the panoramic roof. Always nice to have a glass sunroof, a little bit more light in the car. It's just, the front section will open, as you can see, and for the rear seat passengers there's a static piece of glass in there as well. Very nice and light and airy on the inside. Does have tinted rear glass. You've got kind of a half leather interior, as they'd call it. So 3 headrests, 3 seat belts, central armrest, rubber car mats, which are over the carpet ones. Electric rear windows. Once you're in the vehicle, some real nice kind of front seats, very nice and figure hugging without it being uncomfortable. It's a very comfortable car. Got driver's seat height adjustment. In the middle there, real nice size screen. Does have built-in sat nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, so you can adjust it passenger and driver side independently. It's got heated front seats. Of course, being a hybrid, it is an automatic. And on the miles, literally just under 4,000 miles, 3,789. And of course, being so new, it's a year old, does mean you get the remaining Toyota warranty with this vehicle as well. So you have got added peace of mind of that. The car will come fully prepared through our workshop. So if you have any further information on the car or you'd like to arrange a test drive, then please call me on 01473 654 532, and I'd be more than happy to discuss further with you and to arrange a test drive. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.